Next example is that the resistance in ohms of a sample of 50 electronic components are measured. The table shows the result. Calculate the frequency density of each group. We have to calculate the frequency density and we have to draw the histogram for this data. So the table is given as 80 to 90 resistance has the resistors. The number of the resistors are 10, and also 90 to 100 the frequency is 23, 100 to 110 the frequency is 11, the 110 to 130 the frequency is 6, right? So this table is given. So first of all we have to find the class width or group width. So you can see that 80 to 90, its group width will be 10, 90 to 100 also 10, 100 to 110 also 10, and 110 to 130 that will be equals to simple 20. So first of all we have to find the frequency density, that is basically equals to frequency over group width. So frequency over group width, 10 over 10 that is 1, 23 over 10 that is 2.3, 11 over 10 that is 1 over 1.1, and 6 over 20 that is 0.3. So this is the frequency density for this given data, right? Now the second step is we have to draw the histogram. So for histogram you can see that on the vertical axis we plot the frequency density. Secondly, we just use the ohm. So first of all, you can see that 80 to 90. So this is the patch of 80 to 90 and its frequency density is just 1. So we plot a triangle whose length is 1 ohms, right? Also 90 to 100. So its frequency density is 2.3. So we draw this patch, and also for 100 to 110 this is 1.1, this one, and also the last is 0.3. So it means that its frequency density is 0.3 and its class width is 20. So we draw this rectangle. Understand this example or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next one is you can check the accuracy of the histogram by working out the area of each rectangle. For example, the first rectangle is 10 multiplied by 1, that is equals to 10, which matches the frequency given in the original table. So it means that this is the simple checking method for the histogram. That histogram is true or false, we have to just find the area of the rectangle, and that area will be equals to the frequency, because the area of the rectangle is equals to frequency in the histogram, right? So here is another example, that is the histogram shows information about the time in hours students spend on homework one weekend, right? So first of all this graph is given. 4 students spend between 3 to 5 hours on their homework. How many students spend less than 2 hours on their homework? Calculate an estimate for the number of students who spend more than 6 hours on their homework. And the part C is in which interval does the median lie. So we have to solve these three questions, okay, using this histogram. So first of all, the class width is basically 5 minus 3. So where is class width? So 4 students spend 3 and 5 hours on their homework. So 5 is your highest class, 3 is your lowest class. So for class width we subtract these two values. Use the information that 4 students spend between 3 and 5 hours. So between 3 and 5 hours means that we have the class that is 3 to 5. So for this class we can find the class width, that is 5 minus 3. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, after that the frequency density has the formula that is frequency over class width. So what is frequency? That is 4, because 4 students spends. And what is the class width? That is 5 minus 3, that is simple 2. So it means that the frequency density for this class is simple 2. Any problem?
No.
Okay, the height of the fifth bar is 2 squares. So each square on the vertical axis corresponds to a frequency density of 1. So in this case, 3 to 5, the each height from 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 are equal. So it means that one box has the height 1 and also the second one has the height 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next one is the height of the first bar is 4 squares. So where is the first bar? The height for the fifth bar. Where is the fifth bar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth bar height is 1. Uh, the height of the first bar is 4 squares and its class width is 0.5 minus 0, because it is from 0 to 0.5. So its class width will be 0.5 minus 0, that is equals to 0.5. The height of the second bar is 12 squares, right? So this is the estimate. So the second bar has the 12 squares and its class width is 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. And also the height of the third bar is 8. Okay, this is 8. So you can see that its class width will be 2 minus 1, right? Next one is now use frequency. That is, we have the formula for the frequency or the area of the patches, that is equals to frequency density multiplied by class width. We have to find this frequency by using this formula, that is 4 multiplied by 0.5, that in the first bar, in the second bar 12 multiplied by 0.5, in the third bar 8 multiplied by 1. So your answer will be 16, right? This is your answer. So it means that 16 students spend less than 3 hours for your homework. So this is the answer of the part A. So 16 students spends less than 3 hours for their homework. Okay. Next one is that for part B, you can see that calculate an estimate for the number of students who spend more than 6 hours on the homework. Now we have to find the students which just use more than 6 hours for for their homework. The final bar represents 5 to 8. So 6 hours starts from this one, right? So it means that the final bar starts from 5 to 8 hours and has a class width that is simple 3. The frequency for this group is 1 multiplied by 3. Okay. So the 2 over 3 of 3 is equals to 2 students. So you would expect that 2 over 3. 2 over 3, why? Because the you can see that in this bar we have 3 different areas. So 2 areas are used from the 3. So 2 over 3 of the simple 3. So it means that 2 students are given. Right? Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Any problem?
No.
Okay. So this is your part B, and you can see that in part C, in which the interval does the median lie. So to find the median, you first need to work out the total frequency. It is easier to draw a table, so we have also find the frequencies of all classes. So we draw a table, that is 2, 6, 8, 6, 4, 3, and the total frequency is 29. So you can see that 29 is an odd number So its median is 15th value. So where is the 15th value?